Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, and some more breaking news. As I first predicted, Michael Saylor steps down as CEO of MicroStrategies and will now take on a chairman role, a split chairman role, as he puts, quote, to focus on buying Bitcoin. You don't have to focus on buying Bitcoin, you just buy the shit, right? But his company's lost a ton of money and they're starting to make moves, as I forecasted last year, that this thing would all come unglued for Michael Saylor and his company may go bankrupt and he would be ousted as the chairman, as he puts, I'm stepping down. But another breaking news now, August 3rd, 12:29 a.m. Solana wallets targeted in latest multi-million-dollar hack, right? And this is the problem with crypto and certain exchanges and the danger of crypto, as it's the most hacked and stolen thing in the world. The Solana ecosystem appears to be the victim of crypto's latest exploit, with users reporting that their funds have been drained without their knowledge from major internet-connected hot wallets, including Phantom, Slop, and Trust Wallet. It's funny, Trust Wallet, just like the United States government, when they put the Anti-Inflation Act, it's actually going to make more inflation. The Homeland Security Act, or the Patriot Act, was the most unpatriotic thing ever. Trust Wallet, not so trustworthy. And when you get hacked and your money stolen, it's gone, right? There's no getting it back. It's gone. Several Solana addresses have been linked to the attack so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, with these wallets draining at least 5 million worth of SOL and SPL and other tokens from unsuspecting users. The attack is still ongoing. We are evaluating the incident impacting Solana wallets and are working closely with other teams in the ecosystem to get to the bottom of this. Yeah, get to the bottom of this. They probably hacked it themselves after all this money's gone. We will issue an update once we gather more information. A representative of Phantom told CoinDesk in a statement. The team doesn't believe this is a Phantom specific issue at this time. Sure sounds like it. Phantom, this might be the next exchange to go. Some users initially suspected the hack could be related to the transaction of Magic Ethereum's Solana-based non-fungible token NFT marketplace through the source of the explicit exploit has yet to be confirmed. Magic Eden did not respond to CoinDesk request for comment. There seems to be widespread blah, blah, blah. Twitter is flooded with reports of Solana users noticing that tokens have suddenly been drained from their accounts. I was getting my sunglasses refit when I got a push notification from my mobile wallet. I had sent all my Solana from my wallet. Solana community member Gustak GM told CoinDesk it's my main hot wallet, so I had it connected to a lot of different mobile and web extensions. Wallet provides as well as a lot of dApps, whatever that is. It's unclear at this point whether the vulnerability is limited only to the Solana blockchain. A Trust Wallet and Slop Wallet users reported losing USD on both Solana and Ethereum. All right, so this is a big thing you guys got to worry about uh, when you have these exchanges and wallets and whatnot. They can be hacked. Your money can be stolen. It's happened thousands of times, and there's been multi-billion dollars worth of crypto stolen over the last couple of years. It's actually the most stolen and thefted thing on the internet, as everyone thinks it's so secure. It's not that secure. Things can get hacked. Everything is tracked. And as we know, one Bitcoin is still worth 100 million Satoshis, and 100 million Satoshis is still one Bitcoin. a la crypto is Bitcoin and Bitcoin is crypto, right? But that's something to be made aware of. And the Michael Saylor out as micro strategies. Uh, Mississippi woman jailed for 10 years after paying for murder in Bitcoin. Only 10 years. It seems a little light because it's all tracked. They can track each and every transaction, and they can find out where it's coming from. So that's something you need to be watching out for as people don't understand that these things can get hacked and these things can be stolen. And when they get stolen, it's unlike a bank. If somebody hacks your bank account, you get your money refunded. If somebody hacks your crypto wallet, it's gone forever and you lose all that money. It's very dangerous. And you guys need to understand that. You can see Shiba coin from the last time we looked at it. It came up to this upper resistance up here at point, a bunch of zeros, 1369, got rejected, came down to the 200-day moving average, just like here in the 3 hour time frame in here, and now it's bounced, but it's starting to trade sideways again. And like we talked about up here, if you get rejected, your next logical target was down in this area on this whole falling channel to back test it and try to hold it and to continue into this little mini bull run bear market rally. Or if it slipped down, you would trade down to here. So this is a critical 200-day moving average around now. If you break that, your next move down is to retest this lower support. If you can bounce up, you can get into some of these upper areas, right? So we're going to continue to watch out for that. Theta. You can see theta is trying to continue this rounding bottom down here and continue up, but it's now coming back down to the 200-day, and that is a critical area in that theta you need to hold, because if you slip the 200-day, you're coming down here to about 1 3/4 cents. If you can get some kind of momentum building, you can try to make a run back up into this regional supply zone up to here at about 13 cents, but it's more likely that you come down there and theta. And then if we look at Ethereum, you can see Ethereum, our next underneath target is 1276, as highlighted back on this critical green ring that you've been getting support and resistance on. Because if you break the green ring, we'll move this over in the current time frame. If you break that green ring, you're going to come down to the next underneath green ring, which is $700. And if you're initially getting rejected here at the 1685, and if you slip below this 200-day moving average, you would come down to this $1,269-ish area. If you could get some buyers and get help and get some support on the 200-day and bounce, get over top of this major resistance, you could make a run up here to 2169. But it's more likely, more probable that you trade back down here to $1,269, and we'll continue to watch out for that. The same thing with XRP. You can see it got rejected after a little bit of a fake out now, and then it even as it came through and finally came through. It came back up and got rejected. Now it's coming down. That's a bearish confirmation. And I would say this is now kind of probably come down to that 30 to 32 cent level. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's. Go crypto investing. Peace and love. Sidestop the criminal cartel. Peace and love.